In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coaching playlist in HubSpot. Coaching playlists are a simple way to organize recordings and training resources for your sales or service team, so everyone can learn from the same examples. Let's walk through the setup together from the very beginning, keeping things clear and efficient. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot in Google. This helps you land on the official site quickly, especially if you're not navigating from a bookmark. If this is something you'll do often, consider bookmarking the login page to save time in the future. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. If you have access to multiple portals, make sure you select the correct one for your team. You'll need the appropriate permissions to create playlists, so if you don't see the options shown here later, reach out to your administrator. Once you're in, hover over the left sidebar to reveal the main navigation and locate the sales section. Depending on your layout or role, you might see slightly different wording, but you're looking for sales where coaching tools typically live. Inside sales, click on Coaching Playlists. This area houses all existing playlists and is where you'll create new ones. It's helpful to glance at what already exists so you can avoid duplicating topics. On the Playlists page, click Create Playlist. This opens the Setup panel where you'll define the basics of your new playlist. Type a clear, descriptive playlist name. A good practice is to include the topic and audience, like Cold Call Openers, SDR Team, so it's instantly recognizable. Add a concise description that sets expectations. In a sentence or two, explain the purpose, what someone will learn, and any context such as the date range of examples or the target metrics the playlist supports. This helps viewers understand why the playlist matters before they press play. Select a folder to keep your content organized. Choose the folder that matches your team, region, or training theme. Consistent foldering makes it much easier for managers and reps to find the right materials later. Next, choose who can see this playlist. You can keep it limited to yourself while drafting, share it with a specific team for targeted training, or open it to your entire account if it's broadly applicable. When in doubt, match access to the people who will use it most. Finally, click Create. Your coaching playlist is now set up and ready for you to curate the right content for your team's development. If you don't see this option at any point, it may be a permissions or subscription issue. Check with your admin. That's it. You've created a coaching playlist in HubSpot quickly and thoughtfully, with clear naming, organization, and the right visibility from the start.